There's another favorite of mine, an 81 Corvette. I've always just loved the lines. I love the glass tops, and I've always really liked these wheels. You know what I don't like about an 81 Corvette? I think they're about 160 horsepower. Well, not this one. They cured that by putting a 383 stroker crate motor under the hood of that car, this car. See these amazing colors, the dark blue metallic with the silver interior? This car was born that way. I think it's sharp. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information, look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you're notified when a new video is posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath the car is not, show car, but it's very good. The frame is solid. The floors, the fiberglass floors are not broken up. The front end steering components look really good. The upper control arm bushings look new. I think the front end's been gone through and rebuilt. There's about 1,300 miles on this car since it's been redone. In back, it has a fiberglass leaf spring. I'm pretty certain that was an upgrade in '81. It has disc brakes at all four wheels. Obviously, there's no exhaust under the car. It's on the side. We got chrome side pipes. You'll hear them roar at the end of the towards the end of the video. So you look up at the motor. It has a finned aluminum oil pan and a high torque starter. The turbo 350 automatic has a matching finned aluminum oil pan. So the body's excellent. I was going around it before we started here. I don't see any issue with the body. I don't see cracking. I don't see damage. I don't see an old repair that's starting to show through. It's absolutely laser beam straight. No damage, no cracking, no issues. Lines up real nice. The body is outstanding. Now you might have noticed the hood. This is a Stinger hood that they had back in the 1967 Corvette. It's lightweight. It's actually open, so it lets some nice fresh air into that motor. This is a real nice straight hood. It's a little bit low right here. Sometimes these aftermarket parts don't fit real good. I'm going to say this one fits really good, but not perfect. Headlights fit precisely. This whole rubber bumper is in excellent shape. Even the very tip of it is not nicked or touched up like all of them. So if you buy it, you better keep it that way. But the rubber fits real nice, no damage, even down low. The body's amazing. Now it's dark blue metallic, they call it. You got to really look for it, but there is a lot of metal flake, a little bit of sparkle, but it's very tiny. The paint's gorgeous. You'd probably have to go around this car a couple times real closely to even find a flaw. Rear bumper also is in excellent shape. But this paint's polished out, smooth like glass. It's beautiful. Is my favorite color. The lenses look real nice. Emblem looks real nice. Power antenna looks like that may not be working because it's not up, it's not down. Rear glass has the defroster lines. The trim is blacked out. All that's real nice. The glass T-tops are in really nice shape. When you take them off, they do store back there behind the windows. Sport mirrors. The paint's real good. Original windshield, couple little nicks, a little wear on the windshield, but overall very nice. Now these are the Corvette optional wheels. Look how nicely they're polished. The center caps are excellent, and they got some real nice BF Goodrich tires wrapped around them. So I think the outside's amazing. Got some more to show you inside that I think you'll like. Paint really is beautiful. I love the mirrored tops. So the door panels look like they've been replaced. They look new to me. It does have the original weather strips around the door. We did replace the rubber going up the windshield pillar. It has some chrome handles for the tilt. It's also a telescopic wheel, the leather wrapped steering wheel. 1,300 miles. That's since the car was redone. The dash area looks real good. Looks like there is a repair right in here. This is a stick-on application. They dressed up the center console. It's got an aftermarket stereo. They've added a chrome knob. We got power windows. This thing here looks new, but it's not fitting on here properly. I was kind of playing with it, so we'll have our guys take care of that. I've always loved these seats, too. You fit in them real nice. All new cushions and upholstered. It does have a master shutoff for the battery. This is a sunshade that opens. Some custom Corvette sill plates. It's a really lightweight hood. It weighs nothing. So here we go. 383 crate stroker motor. It's got a polished intake and water neck. Edelbrock carburetor. Real nice air cleaner. MSD ignition system. Some nice cast aluminum 383 stroker valve covers. And that's dressed up with a fair amount of chrome. The alternator, the entire power brake system is chrome. The pulleys are chromed. This is a B-Cool aluminum radiator. It's got an electric fan down there in addition to the fan on the motor. Chrome water pump. Is Corvette logo. New headlight actuators. It's got an electric choke, stainless braided wraps around all the hoses, a chrome hood latch mechanism. Yeah, pretty cool. They have a stroker motor in one of these. Definitely not what your typical 81 Corvette sounds like. Hear that nice lopey cam. Yeah, 81 Vets don't do that. So here's a very affordable way to get a real fun Corvette. Corvettes have all sorts of functions and clubs. Corvette people wave to other Corvette owners. And this is just a neat example. It's got a list of things going for it. What's my favorite? The colors, the wheels, the tops, the motor. It just has a lot going for it. And overall, it's in really very nice condition. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman about your questions. He'll help you get this delivered to your door. He'll help you finance it, make it real easy to buy. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.